Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Garmin Connect from miles to kilometers. Many of us prefer to track our activities in the metric system, and thankfully, Garmin Connect makes this change quite straightforward. We'll walk through the simple steps together, ensuring your fitness data is displayed exactly how you like it. This quick adjustment will help you better understand and analyze your performance, whether you're running, cycling, or engaging in any other activity. To start, open your Garmin Connect app on your phone. Once it's loaded, look for the More or Menu icon, which usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or 3 dots. Tapping this will open up a side menu. From there, you'll want to select Settings. This is where all your personal preferences and application configurations are stored, making it the perfect place to adjust your unit measurements. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for an option like User Settings or Profile. This section contains details specific to your account. Once inside, scroll down a bit until you find Measurement Units or simply Units. Tap on this, and you'll see the choices for distance. Simply select kilometers to make the switch from miles. It's a quick and easy change that will immediately update how your data is displayed. Once you've selected kilometers, the app should automatically save your preference. To ensure everything is updated correctly, you can simply navigate back to your main dashboard or check a recent activity summary. You should immediately see your distances displayed in kilometers instead of miles. This change applies across the board, so all your past and future activities will reflect your new preferred measurement system. Enjoy tracking your progress in kilometers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.